USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all in the same page on this very crucial and very important sign off, civil justice closure sign off that is provided for myself, right? And if we are all in the same page, you're all aware, must be aware. I mean, at least only the wisest must be aware that I am also providing a multitasking as well, right? So for the foolish people, it might look, oh, see, this way the Priya is so selfish, she's just signing off civil justice for herself like that. But then only the wisest are aware that I am just providing multitasking, and I also directly communicating to the USA government and displaying all the true criminals who created the robocall poverty mandate, and that's the deadliest crime, right? So that needs to be addressed and that needs to be fixed immediately. So that means I am displaying the truth to the USA government in front of all the nations, all the entire human kingdom, and then I will get the civil justice the rightful way for myself, and also I will also get the financial compensation and also the excellent civil justice for the total population as well. But it has to be done in a processing way, right? So by the time only the wisest are aware, oh, okay, this lady, this Veda Priya is absolutely a wisest woman in the earth, because I am providing multitasking, right? And I have to sign off the civil justice for myself because I am unemployed, I am in finance crisis, and I have to take care of my basic essentials, and it is my birthright to slap on the USA government because all the government operations are broken, right? And I have to get the rightful help the rightful way, and I am displaying all the USA government operations to USA government. For that itself, USA must pay me the salary. And I already said the software errors, they cannot be fixed in one day, no, and I have to step in and provide that design as well. So for that, it has to be in a multitasking way, and only I have to step in and provide all the design solutions, right? So for that, you all have to be in patience mode. Okay, yes, I have to get the job offer signed, and I have to get the rightful salary, and I have to get the rightful civil justice signed off myself, right, in front of all the nations. Means then you as a nation cannot run and hide, right? Because all the nations are watching, and all the nations are aware that USA national government is collapsed, it's just broken in pieces beyond repair. And every nation worldwide knows I, Veda Priya, alone can be the excellent leader, right? So that is why this civil justice sign off is provided for myself, because USA government do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me. Who is President Trump to enforce poverty for me, or who is Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell to enforce poverty for me, and who is Republican Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh, who stole my rightful job on October 2018, and because of that, to grab that job, lifetime job only, they all joined hands and provided robocall poverty mandate for me. Who are they to create poverty for me? I can bail out them, I can ask them to go live free, but then they have to pay me the $4,500 direct deposit to my bank. I do not have time, I cannot waste time to talk to all these foolish people, you know. Before creating poverty, they should have had a second thought, right? But then they did not, because they were wondering they can do anything because they can buy justice even with dollars. No, that is wrong. Civil justice can never be brought in dollars. Only criminal law can be brought in dollars. That is why all the injustice has been bombarded towards only innocent population forever. It's not going to be like that. No. Everything that's broken will be fixed by I am alone, right? And you all are aware why I am super frustrated, right? It is because of just that they took away that $4,500 alone. October 2018 passed, October 2019 passed, October 2020 passed, and today is February 21. 2021, and I still have the debt of $10,210.38, and that is not my fault at all. And the Citibank, they do not see, they have the interest after interest, and I'm still paying only the minimum due. So I want absolutely the United States of America Citibank CEO to stand upside down or roll on the road or whatever. Just pay my debt in full, and also must sign $4,500 direct deposit to my bank. I do not have any time to talk to all these foolish people. I will see, I can ask the Citibank CEO, just go lock up in the jail forever, and I will let me start the job, and then I will work on how to bail out means. I do not want that. I want that CEO to live free and should know why he's left out to live free, right? Because there is an innocence level is identified. They never knew that it is Pope Francis only mandated the robocall. They never knew all these three people. The President Trump never knew it is Queen Elizabeth II only created robocall poverty mandate worldwide. And Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, he never knew that it is only Queen Elizabeth II, the evil, the meanest, created the robocall poverty mandate. And the Republican Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh never knows. So there is an innocence part of it. That is why I'm not asking them to pay $1 billion. I'm just asking them write the check and pay only $4,500 direct deposit to my bank. That way, forever, they will, even in the dream, they will never work on to create robocall poverty mandate forever. Even after Earth blast, and even after they get to live somewhere, then even then they will never bother to create robo-poverty mandate for fellow mankind. It is deadliest crime. When civilian using a holiest planet Earth never knows that not even one civilian have any birthright to enforce poverty for mankind, then that is a deadliest crime the United States of America created. And for that alone, United States of America should pay me, must pay me tax-free $1 billion for produced a foolish President Trump, for produced a foolish Republican GOP leader. Who asked for all these foolish people? I never asked for foolish people. I already said I do not like fools. And who gave authority for United States of America to produce only foolish people after foolish people who will create only hell after hell after hell forever, and they will not even understand wisdom. Can you all see the importance of the cruciality of the severity of the robocall poverty mandate I'm talking about? When this is fixed, everything else will be fixed. Just put blindest faith on me, my dear fellow mankind. Just put blindest faith on me. Where I said, I already educated, right? In a root cause analysis mode, and in working on the risk mitigation process mode, if we try to understand one root cause, and there can be sub layers or sub clusters or groups of more related those errors, right? But then if we fix one, all the others can be fixed. So that means if they are going to fix this robocall poverty mandate now, all the others, cyber attack, data breach, and whatever adverse software you name it, right? And everything will be fixed. That is what I'm providing. An excellent multitasking means I'm just slapping left and right non-stop the USA government, because they do not have any birthright to provide a wrongful government operations, be it public sector, all the public sector organizations wrongfully operating. Wow, and they are fooling the population. That is wrong. Each and every single operation of Medicaid, Medicare is wrong. And innocent civilians of United States of America are being fooled. Who is going to pay for those damages done? And they should never ever have paid any tax dollars, and they are paying tax dollars. Oh my gosh, there is no other crime to ask tax from the civilians. So who created all this hell creation? It is Queen Elizabeth II, and I already educated for a testimony. If it is going beyond, please be patient, okay? Because this is very crucial. That needs to be fixed now. Just because when I was close to that end of the work of Poverty-Free Earth, end of the year 2030 volunteer project, it was around that same 2018 that time only that Supreme Judge job was opened. right? And all the nations worldwide, they wanted me only to be the Supreme Judge of USA, even including USA too. I already said that already Anonymous even nominated me for House of Representatives. Means I was, they know about my governance. It's always will be flawless mode. Right? Including President Obama, President Trump, they all know that I, Vedapriya, will be the excellent Supreme Judge. But then I was educating what? At the close of my end of the project. Nobody should pay tax. Nation should never ask tax of any form from the population. Boom. That was the one that triggered for the Pope Francis and the Queen of Elizabeth to direct the Republican government to create that robocall to me and then take away 4,500. That is enough to enforce the poverty on one side, create the scars on this innocent patient, and then also grab that job, that supreme job, and give it to the Brett Kavanaugh, who is not even fit to be a Supreme Judge. Right? He is the one who is a cunning way, only he is the one started all this crap. So can you all see how it was a worldwide scam, and only after I realized, only then I realized, oh my gosh, all these people, telecommunications, right, meaning whereas Apple, Microsoft, they were all trying to trace out me, because they were tracing out to me on a positive note. They wanted to know whether I'm really a robo from a different alien planet, or am I really a human, right? Because my education was in a very unique and excellent way, and even a layman can understand that Western. And my education was only in the cleanest love language, right? For a love language, you do not need a grammar, you do not need an accent and everything. So that means if you go to German or France, they all are very spoken mother tongue, spoken language fanatics. They will, even if they know English, they will not talk English, right? And but then they were all able to understand me, my education. I already educated Germans, French, each and every Europe nations, London, Australia, New Zealand, everywhere, right? And if you're going to see for the Islam nations, they talk Arabic, right? And they talk Hebrew. So that means I'm just talking only plain, very simplest English. I can talk only very basic, right? And I already said my spoken language is Tamil. So I have accent when I talk English. So, and I can talk very basic English only. So that if there are any grammatical errors or any thing, then I already educated people, please be patient with me, right? So, but even in all these things, with whatever best I was able to educate, all nations, means approximately 193 nations, then that is inclusive of all the islands, the forests, the natives, tribes who are hidden inside the forest, everybody included in 193 nations, right? And then 7.9 plus billions is the approximate population count worldwide. It should be roughly 8 billions at least now, by now, right? Because every start of the year, the population counter is counted. A number of birth entered into the earth means that many population are getting increased every single day, but that needs to be counted. That's called as a census, right? So that means everybody, they understood my language. So that is why you as a nation was listening to me, India was listening to me, and I was providing a solution in a unique, generic, universal mode. That means I was providing a template, means any nation can take it and use it immediately for their operations. It is and customized and tailor-right, means it will be very simplest. Like for India, India code will be there. USA code will be there. And London means London code will be there. Means it is just like that. The design was fastest than robos. That is why the software world were trying to reach out to me, because they wanted, and then they realized that they cannot buy me out. Because, always the true love and the cleanest love cannot be bought by dollars. That is why true love stands out on the crowd, right? And they all knew that I only have the patented design. And patented design means it's a blueprint, and it's nobody can copy. Even if they can copy and produce it, they cannot proceed further. And I already explained with the live proof. It is same President Trump. He knew. See, the President Trump and President Obama, both of them knew I am the only one who can rewrite the Medicaid processing. And President Trump was trying to search out for me only to be the leader of that Medicaid entire processing, but sadly could not figure it out and find out me. And so that is a live proof. American Healthcare Act. They came up with the American Healthcare Act. Remember? And I think that was a very short period time frame. There was a state of Wisconsin speaker only, right? His name was Ryan, I think. If I'm wrong, just disregard it. So that itself was a life proof, my dear fellow mankind. And then by the time it was 2018, when I was educating, do not pay tax, a nation should never pay tax, that's when these absolute monarchs got screwed up. They got very much angry, right? And they directed the Republican government to just create the robocall, and it is okay, just take only whatever that patient, where the patient is having, remove all that dollars, and it is enough. Then she'll be in poverty, because the finance services, they provide only interest. Highest interest rate for credit card services, anywhere between 9% to 13 to 15% of the interest alone, and they calculate such a way, in a cunning way, that the minimum due, if you pay minimum due, it will be okay. And I've been paying only minimum due, and at one point of time I already said it hit the max of the credit thing, and I was stuck. Can you all see how much of emotional torture I had to undergo through? And now, today, I'm proving with live fire proof. USA got slapped on one side, and they are the happiest nation, because it's just not me. Yeah, as of right now, when people are listening to this live civil justice sign-off, there are some of my blood drops and civilians worldwide across the globe. They are losing money. They must have lost already billions and trillion dollars of their savings, hard-earned savings, either be it retirement account, either be it provident fund, either be it savings account, either be it checkings account, in this robocall poverty scandal scam. And nobody can mock at me. Oh, see, she's just being so emotionally talking about just only $4,500. It's so less of a money. No, for me, it is too much of a money, my fellow mankind. I already said it can be a very meager amount for a type of dime or a penny for President Trump or President Joe Biden, right? For me, it is a lot of money. For me, it is a lot of money. And who is USA to take away that $4,500 from me and enforce poverty for me? See, I am going to bring everybody who created the abuse to me on the court of law. They have to pay the price, right? Who gave that birthright? See, civilians do not have any birthright to be fatal negligent itself. That means President Trump cannot give an excuse, oh no, I am Republica, and I am Republica President Trump, and I am also white skin, see, and I am also having a real estate mogul, and I am having real estate worldwide, I am a richest person, so I do not even have to bother for this president's salary, which is approximately anywhere between $4,000 per annum or to $400,000 to $500,000 per annum. And after they get the move out of the White House office, they still get to have their salary paid. At least half of their salary paid, maybe $300,000 like that. So they do not have to worry about whatever the monthly payment, everything. So he could have to see, because of all this only, I never knows what is the word poverty. Sorry, that is why I created the robocall. He cannot give that excuse to me. He cannot. And I already said I can create a tit for tat. See, the abusive people should never think that the innocent population cannot create the same kind of abusive, like the thing as in a tit for tat. But it becomes like a never-ending loop. I do not want that. I do not want President Trump to be homeless, poverty mode, and all his bank accounts freezed and thrown on the road and begging for money. No, I do not want President Trump to be on that mode. No, that is not civil justice for me. I want President Trump either to stand upside down or roll on the road, whatever, do whatever, just write $4,500 direct check and deposit on my bank, period. And in that check it should be written, yes, President Trump admin only enforce poverty for Vedapriya, so $4,500 has been direct deposited. I want that. Meaning forever President Trump, even not being a president, will never ever, even in the dream, will never think of enforcing poverty for fellow mankind. So civil justice should be always in an excellent, perfect way, right? So when I never did anything to the USA government, even if I begged, USA government, please take $4,500 and enforce poverty for me, even if I beg in that mode. USA nation do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me. So can you all imagine this crime? This crime is not only on local level. No. It is way beyond COVID-19, my dear fellow mankind. That is why only the wisest will be aware, oh, this Vedapriya is an absolute wisest lady. Meaning, when I am signing civil justice for myself, it is absolutely an indirect way of communicating all the true criminals to the USA government as well as the side-by-side multitasking. So when USA government knows, oh, okay, it is the Pope Francis who is creating the robocall poverty. Oh, is it the Queen Elizabeth who created the robocall poverty? Then you all know what will happen. They will just throw them in the volcano in Hawaii, right? Because this foolish USA has been fooled that this robocall poverty scandal alone, with that tax mandate scandal alone, it is a $1 billion revenue they were earning. The USA, foolish nation, was earning $1 billion out of that. Can you all trace now how even lottery services is also a scandal? How Las Vegas Sin City is also a scandal. See, if Mitch McConnell, if Supreme Judge Kavanaugh, if President Trump loves to take away the money, they should have done what? They should have provided the robocall to Queen Elizabeth and removed all the money from her, from the Buckingham Palace, and throw her out of on the road. They never did that. That is wrong, right? Or if they love to create poverty, then they should have removed all the dollars from the papal in St. Peter's Basilica, right? And just locked out the palace and just throw that Pope Francis crap on the road. 85 or 84 plus years old Pope Francis to be thrown on the road and mandated Pope Francis to sleep on the road, on a snowy road, when side by side with the homeless, and then make him to understand how homeless are undergoing through whatever they are undergoing for in hell, right? But they never did that. That it's a wrong, right? So now what the USA government will do? They have all the proof. I'm proving it. And how I'm able to prove? You all got it, how I'm able to prove? Only because I worked on the Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project, my dear fellow mankind. It is the United States of America knows this Vedapriya is the wisest, and I know each and every single nation, each and every single continent, each and every single municipality worldwide, each and every single region by region, county by county, city by city, means all with my analysis work, I trace where exactly is poverty, which continent is a poverty continent, which nation is a poverty continent, which state is a poverty, which county, which city, which zip code. Means I have everything in my fingertips. I know the count of the plants. Meaning I know the count of cocoa plants. I know the count of rice plants. Meaning, how can you all count the rice grain? I can count. I have all the counts in my hand. Got it? So that is why all the agricultural services have fallen down in knees before me. Meaning, whatever the disaster is done with the genetic modified food, that is deadliest crime. And who created that? Queen Elizabeth II. Why? Tax mandate. Why? When people become infertility, when people cannot become pregnant, when people become cancer, they will run to the hospital and they have to pay tax after tax after tax, and they will not get healed. They have to go to the grocery, they have to pay tax, one state tax and federal tax for just a gallon of milk, when it has to be provided only free to the civilians. So can you all understand how all these crimes are interlinked and weaved only in a poison mode and displayed in a way kind of a spider web where nobody was able to figure it out? Because if they are going, when you're cleaning that spider web mode, even if we try to touch one of that string in that spider web, boom, everything will get mixed, right? Like a layer. It is the same way. Got it? So because of this crime that provided, can you all see how God's name alone is glorified? Yes, I am in the pauper mode, I am in the beggar mode right now, but at the same time I told I am the only richest person in the whole world. I own all nations, my dear fellow mankind, and I have all the proof. I am going to reveal it. So yes, you all must be working on who am I, and just keep working on who am I. That is a fun task I provided. That is how a true teacher will provide it in a both. When the true teacher is strict at one side, the other side will also provide a fun way of the interacting mode. Right? You all work on that fun task. I will reveal it later. So yes, this civil justice sign off is an absolute fireproof. By closing the eyes, USA government should immediately ask the Citibank CEO to pay off my debt in full now. Right? And then that can create what? Oh, okay, I do not have that part of the finance debt. So that will heal me, right? That process is called what? In the taxonomy medical services, it is called as what? Finance disabled prevention medical finance compensation program. But they do not have that in any of the operations. That is another crime, my dear fellow mankind. Yeah. Just wait and watch and see what, it'll be super fun to see how Dr. Fauci and Dr. Briggs is going to answer for that. They missed an important taxonomy code. Oh my gosh. So that itself is a proof that Medicaid is wrong. Right? They should have provided a taxonomy. Taxonomy means, in a very layman level way, these medical world, they group each and every single diseases. So it is an easy way of grouping them out and then classifying it again with subclusters or subgroup. That way it is easy to identify and provide a diagnosis code, right? And then they can even identify whether this disease is a curable disease, or if at all, how long will it take to cure, and what are the root cause, like that. So, but then they missed out a very important operation that even the doctors don't know, that the robocall poverty mandate is a disability enforced. Who is, see, when I am not born disabled, who is United States of America to even enforce disability on me? Can you see? Can you all see how we have, see, and you all know now, it will be super fun, my fellow mankind. Department of Health Services should pay me tax-free $500 billion. Oh no, they cannot escape that judgment process. I know. I even educated the justice teams. These Department of Health Services will curse me to the death. They will even figure out a way to ask the United States of America to settle out of the court. I said no. I just want the Department of Health Services to stand upside down, and whether they are able to roll on the road or whatever, they have to pay me $500 billion means you all are aware why, right? And just because I filed that lawsuit alone in the year of 2019, so that means I even proved that the COVID-19 never even started in Wuhan, China. It all started in state of Wisconsin. And boom, where it traces to? Roman province, Jesuits. Hell organization is one of the state is what? State of Wisconsin. And boom, that traces to where? Who is the leader of Jesuits organization? Is it you? No. Is it me? No. Is it clergy, church, archbishop, bishops like that? No. Is it Christian evangelicals? No. Is it Queen Elizabeth? No. Is it Dalai Lama? No. Is it Islam leaders? No. Who then? You tell me. Okay, is it President Trump? No. Is it President Joe Biden? No. Then who? It is Pope Francis, right? So can you all got it? How everything, all the puzzles got solved? And who created COVID-19? It is state of Wisconsin after all. And got it how I even handcuffed and state of Wisconsin is in at fault mode and must be in the jail mode right now. Because who is state of Wisconsin to create COVID-19 for worldwide? Right? I already said all the Sudan, the Somalia, the Congo, right? Sierra Leone, they are all very poverty. They are living in less than $1 a day. When I'm able to drink a cup of healthy organic milk, they are all living in less than $1 a day. What can you buy in a grocery store in less than $1 a day? Even a regular Hershey chocolate candy is 99 cents and you have to pay a tax on top of it, federal tax, and that will be almost close to $2 or $1, right? And when my fellow man can my blood drop, who's in Somalia or Sudan or in Congo or in Nigeria, they are living in less than $1 as of now at this moment. Tell me why on the earth Dr. Fauci created COVID-19. Oh, no. These medical services I will shut down. I will seal and only shut down. And you all know, you all might be wondering why President Trump was during this COVID-19, why he was alone, I would say, providing different actions, right? Meaning, when the televisions media, when the doctors, they were all only marketing for mask. Oh, wash your hands. Oh, wash your mouth. Oh, wear mask. Right? How foolish they were. But President Trump, if you see, he even cancelled that World Health Organization. That is a life proof, my dear fellow mankind. Meaning, yes, he was he is never a politician, and he was providing the task because of my wisdom education alone, nothing else. So that is a life proof. And worldwide people were just wondering why President Trump just like that cancelled the World Health Organization. And now you all know, right? What am I saying? I'm saying only I will seal and shut down Central for Disease Control, World Health Organization, because they are all the scandals. They are all created for poverty mandate only, right? And what is one more proof? Do you all want to know? Yes, you all should know. That time, that lady was a May, right? Mary May or something like that. The London Prime Minister, that lady. See, European nations leaders, be it Australia, be it German leader, be it France, everybody knows I am the only excellent leader because they all got the education that, yes, I wear the prayer as a true owner of USA. Got it? But then, that time when I was educating that about the deadly scandal of Islam and Judaism, that is how that even the Brexit also was created. And it was supposed to be signed off in so June of 2018 by that lady Prime Minister London. Her name is some Mary or May or something like that. But because of this extreme political scam that's going on everywhere, even she could not do it, and that's why even she resigned. And now what? Boris Johnson or something like that. Everybody knows I am the only true leader. Got it? So they knows that if at all Vedapriya steps in and just start leading USA, everything, all nations will be in heaven that second. Everybody knows. And they were still, why they were not able to sign off that deal, Brexit deal, and even in last 2020 during that COVID-19, they created a scandal. Again, it's a scandal only. They made a fool that they came up with a deal, but it is not. Why? Because the European is what? Is an Islam, paganism, Judaism organization. And who is the leader of that? Who is the leader of that? See, the London Prime Minister is providing a show only. Be it that lady Prime Minister or male Prime Minister, they are only providing a show. So who is the leader of Europe Union? Yes, everybody knows that that's a scam. It's a Islam, Judaism, paganism, whatever, communism, deadliest, poisonous organization, right? Evil, the blood cells level, they are evil. But who is the leader of that? Queen Elizabeth II. And if you all see the patterns of abuse, be it in the G20 or whatever, that all the nations will gather for a town hall session meeting, status report meeting, right? And Commonwealth meeting, and the SARC meeting, and the TPP meeting. These are all the different nations grouped together to provide the assistance. And if you see, Queen of Elizabeth II will not be in any of these. And she is the ruling leader for all these things. I already said, for Commonwealth organization, she put Russia leader Putin as a puppet leader. Russia leader Putin is a puppet, absolute puppet. So nobody knew the scandal, and you all know that Brexit itself was created because of my wisdom education only. Meaning, the London, see, when nations got the freaked out mode, oh, be it Denmark, be it Australia, everything is in Islam, Judaism, they wanted to come out of that paganism, right? That is what the wise wisdom choices do. But they all got trapped in that scandal. They cannot move out of that evil forces anymore. And that is exactly, it was created in the spider web mode. I only can step in, I only can free Denmark, I only can bail out Norway, I only can bail out France, Germany, any you name any nation, I only can bail out. Because everybody is fallen in trap. Everybody. Every nation, each nation is broken in pieces. And out of all these scandals going, this New Zealand alone was providing a mockery. Right? They were telling there is never a COVID-19 in their nation. And Sweden, and if you see, they were all never wearing a mask. Means they know that scandal, the real meaning of the scandal. That's the meaning of it. Got it? They know that this Vedapriya figured out that it is a Queen Elizabeth who created all this havoc. And yes, it is going to be a heaven mode, because this Vedapriya, the supreme excellent leader, will throw all the evil forces in ashes. Everybody, even doctors know, even Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks know that whoever worked in that Poverty-Free Earth 2030 volunteer project alone will stand up. Means in the scandal of COVID-19, they knew that I alone will stand up and educate and provide the justice. And it is happening right now. And it is all according to the whatever predictions that is provided in the Holy Bible. Word by word, it's happening now. It is happening. That means the generations who are living right now are super blessed just because I'm born. Right? And I already said what? I finished everybody's job. Everybody's job. Nobody have to go to work anymore. Because everybody's job is done. Right? And that means everybody will get their monthly salary forever. I will provide it. I sure will provide. Then it becomes the option for the civilians to go to work or not. Right? Because every single people's talent is needed for the nation to be built in love. right? That means 7.9 plus billions of humans' talents is needed after all. Talents must never be wasted. But it was enforced and wasted. So that is why the career destruction was also enforced. It's a sub layer of a poverty mandate. You all got it. I never see, yes, I was mocked and bullied just because I'm unemployed like that. But I already educated. When God has given me the talent, right, and it's not never my fault to be unemployed. It is Pope Francis who created all this hell for me. Then why would I even have to bother? When people are mocking, and as a true civil doctor, I know when people mocks me or bullies me, there is a disability, they are all leprosy patients, I know, and I know what is the root cause also, right? So which I will reveal it, yes. So this particular session is a bulletproof, my dear fellow mankind. It is already 40 minutes, but it's still okay. And yes, I am still asking if it is a possibility. Just put this live testimony in the televisions worldwide, because every single living creature will be saved. Yes, it might look as if civil justice is being signed off to me alone, but it is a multitasking I'm providing, right? So tell me, President Trump, President and that Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell, and that Supreme lead Judge Brett Kavanaugh, they all are leprosy infected patients only, and they all are became fallen in trap because they are all absolute slaves to Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. So that means I am the only one who is going to bail out all the people, and I am the only one who is even going to pay the compensation for not only for Wuhan, China, right? Where everywhere there is COVID 19. And when people are living in less than $1 a day, how on the earth Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks provided dollars to the Somalian people and Sudan people to even afford for a mask? Got it on the loophole. And they were only telling wash your hands, clean your mouth, like that. They never educated the human ears have space where bacteria or virus can get in, right? And the nose. And you all know all our excretory system, where the waste products is provided by the living organism, being the animals or being the humans, everywhere. So then they never even provided healthy processing for that. Because the toilet paper issue became a mockery, it became a joke because of that alone. It is never an hygienic way to use toilet tissue paper, right? I already said in India, people wash with water to clean, right? But then here they made it as a toilet paper thing for $1 trillion of revenue, right? You all knew how people were freaked out. They were running to the grocery, and when I went into the grocery, it really made me to feel, oh, it was a very disturbing sight for me to see the shelves in the grocery stores to be emptied. And by exploiting the innocent population, it was retailers who earned a lot of $1 trillion, right? On top of getting more, so that means their variable expenses or monthly expenses in each household should have increased, doubled. And these selfish doctors, they never even bothered to provide that monthly expenses to take care of this COVID-19. No, right? And they never even provided a set of healthcare public service social workers to be allocated to walk on the roads and to just reach out to all the homeless population and provide the mask and provide whatever that healthy medical standards, and then bring them to the welfare officers and guide them, provide a free housing. They never did that too. Imagine that 365 days in 2020, all the scandals displayed up front. What is Dr. Fauci and Dr. Brinks going to say about that? Right? I just want those two doctors to live free. Even the jail is the holiest place, and they do not even, or they are not eligible to be on the jail. And I can throw them on the jail, but I do not want them to. Right? Can you all see how all I unlocked all the puzzles, everything one by one in the See, they were thinking they create the Pope Francis. They thought they created all the scandal and spider web. Nobody can figure it out, and they can live freely forever. But what did God do? God is God always, right? So that is why God brought me in, and it is God who made me to work on this Poverty Free Earth End of the Year 2030 volunteer project, right? And all throughout the years, it was only analysis process. By the time I came to the end, boom, all the puzzles got unlocked. All the puzzles got unlocked. Means I removed that spider web layer, layer by layer by layer by layer by layer, and I unlocked all the puzzles, and I provided all the puzzles. Means everything solved, and it is a combined study mode, meaning when I solve one puzzle, all the nations will know, oh wow, like that. Meaning it's just not me, it was like entire people. I already said there were a lot of strangers also working on me side by side. Means who? It is the software world, it is the media world, it is all the nations, all the governments, or entire population. And I already said media world, God is still in the evolution process. It's only because of me. When my peers were using media for different purposes according to their needs, right? I was using it for wisdom education. And you all might have seen worldwide, even atheists were shouting, all were becoming, walking towards wisdom ways, and even the atheism population started to shout loudest, oh, there is God. Imagine the transition that comes out of the word of the atheism population, right? They were only saying what? There is never God. But a transition from a damaged brain saying there is never a God to just like that transition and shout out loudest and proclaiming, oh, there is God, means it's all because of my wisdom education. Got it? So I was only guiding all the people in the wisdom education. And yes, this particular testimony, you all will be in total shock and aware. This robocall poverty mandate, $1 trillion revenue for US nation, that service providing program services was only created by Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis. Okay, and if you're going to see in the video clippings and the screenshots, all live proof is there. So yes, Pope Francis and the teams for destroyed the USA operations will be thrown in the volcano, and I will read everybody's name from the Holy Bible only. I will call out by name. So wait, watch and see, my dear fellow mankind, and just keep working on who am I, okay? So I will keep reading the civil justice for the robocall poverty mandate. And can you all understand the severity, the deadliest crime on this? But even the President Trump, those people, they never even knew the severity of the crime. So that is why God is always God. So that means when a civilian is in a disabled mode, when a civilian is having a cancer, when a civilian is not infertility mode, when civilian is undergoing through a lot of financial stress, right? Pauper mode, like that, it is God's name alone is glorified, my dear fellow mankind. That is the wisdom. Because the disability is never created by God. No. Who creates the disability of any type? It is only the evil health creators. And who is that? It is only absolute monarchs. Got it? So then that needs to be civil justice served. And I never asked for Queen Elizabeth crap. Right? I never asked for Pope Francis crap. They're all crap only. They're garbage after all. They should be in the garbage after all. Like, you might have seen in the waste management processing service center, the garbage They should be there after all. And okay, I would take that word back. They are not even fit to be on that garbage, because that garbage itself is the holiest thing. They should just get out in the volcano, because I want to provide this excellent testimony at this point of time. If it is beyond 1 hour, be patient, okay? Um, when I was working, I was just super mad, right? Because when puzzle after puzzle, I'm unlocking it, and each and every single crime, it is all tracing only to the absolute monads. I was wondering what kind of death penalty can be provided, right? And I was even for a fun way of educating, oh, why can't all these absolute monarchs be thrown in the sun? Oh, that'll be super fun, because it is a hot oil mass of, right? So then that is impossible, because USA have to create a lot of labor. They have to create a machine, almost like a rocket kind of a machine, that needs to withstand that hot mass in the sun kind of a thing. Then I was working on, I was using the Holy Bible references also side by side, right? And it was written lake of fire, boom, my brain. And I was also educating about how and why the natural disasters are being created. So, so then I left out, okay, why not sun? Okay, sun is impossible, right? And all my peers who were working side by side, they all must have even laughed out loudest, thinking that I wanted to allocate the death penalty in the sun. Then lake of fire came in, and then I was going on analyzing, and wherever I wanted to figure out what is the root cause of poverty at the first place. Okay, so that's why I was analyzing every single thing. And then one by one, even natural disasters means, be it avalanche, be it snow blizzard, be it tsunami, be it cyclone, be it flood. I was just wondering why all these natural disasters have been created. Even the Sahara Desert. If you see the desert, the Sahara Desert is a huge one, and that has its own history behind it, because it was a Greenland and then only it became Sahara Desert. So then I was wondering, why like this? And then wildfires, right? California, Arizona, they all have those wildfire accidents, right? And I was just figuring out what is creating, because for the population eyesights and the brain level, oh God, is Mother Nature is so angry at us, or it is only God creating. That is how we all will think, right? We will not even have a clue why it is happening. But then when I was going through all this analysis mode, it all got solved. Even the natural disasters created by only absolute monarchs. I already explained, when there is an oxidation process malfunctioning, all these things will happen. Means I was going beyond, above and beyond, means even galaxy level, Milky Way level, atmosphere level I was analyzing. Ozone level I was analyzing. Oh my gosh, and then I was unlocking all the puzzles just like that, and people were, that is why people were fearing whether I'm a really a robo, or I'm from somewhere from an alien planet, because I was just unlocking everything, right? So I decided, okay, let the death penalty for absolute monarchs be in only in volcano in Hawaii. Why? I even identified state of Hawaii is Tamil Nadu. So got it, all the British colonization, and then the Republic party created only in Green Bay, Wisconsin, repent, right? That is also to destroy Tamil Nadu only, my dear fellow mankind. And the Republicans in United States never knew about that. So that is why, if you are seeing in the civil justice, I've been non-stop asking, just rename Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu by my name, means it is going to be a heaven process for entire worldwide operations. Got it? That is the wisdom of it, right? So yes, I will continue with this civil justice sign off, and please provide live telecast worldwide. because all the 193 nations, the entire human kingdom, all will be saved. It's just because of this civil justice signed off by me for myself alone. It is a multitasking. Okay? So, there is more crimes to be displayed. You wait and watch and see. Pope Francis will run from Vatican and just jump in the volcano and he'll be gone in ashes. For I, Vedapriya, prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of today, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya, prose, native Indian tribe, true Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. So scandal races of Republica, Europe nations worldwide is Republica Queen Elizabeth II created robocall poverty mandate in all 193 nations worldwide, and it is a crime absolute. London is an Islam Judaism is a proof. Europe nations is Islam Judaism nation. Can you all get it why Brexit itself is a scandal? Because they wanted to come out of the European Union, that Islam, Judaism, paganism mode. But then London itself is a Islam, Judaism, paganism nation, communist nation. What will they do? They were just only providing Brexit. And how that created, even before that, it was during the President Obama administration, with my education. You all might be aware after close to maybe 50 years or maybe 100 years, I don't know how many years, but it should be that many years. Even now, Ireland and Scotland is slave to Queen Elizabeth II, right? It was during President Obama administration only. They provided voting to the Scotland and Ireland to ask them if they want to come out of the United Kingdom slavery mode. And they ended up being slaves only. They decided, let it be, they wanted to be slaves, and that is how United Kingdom is still United Kingdom. And even the Queen Elizabeth got married in the name of love marriage only to make all the Ireland and the Scotland as a slave to her. So that itself is a proof that her entire 70 plus years of love marriage is a scandal. And she is never a royal. So these royals, if you see, they always provide only scandal after scandal. So the innocent population, that means people were name calling Hillary Clinton as wicked, right? They should have only mocked and bullied to the extent Queen Elizabeth II only. And Hillary Clinton is innocent after all, right? Hillary Clinton is a woman and who underwent lot of her impacts, and she is able to adjust and live, and that itself is absolute proof of innocence. But then how the population was even misguided that she is wicked after all, and that election became a scandal upfront. She was the one who was about to get elected. Right? In what way President Trump is good than Hillary Clinton? You tell me. Right? At least Hillary Clinton was a lawyer, and yes, being that lawyer mode never fixed all this law process. It means that it is at fault mode only. But I am talking beyond that professional part. She is a woman, President Trump is a man. What did he do in this part for 4 years? He is not a politician, don't know how to operate the nation. He was only operating the nation task, which whatever he was providing. But beyond that, what was he doing? Only hiring and firing, which he knows very well. That's what he did. He is talented in that. And he did that because of my education only. You name it. Pentagon's leader resigned, got laid off. And Nikki Haley or something like that. That lady went out. And then ICE, that immigration DACA leaders, they were resigned. They were get laid off. And then Kristen, who was a Department of Health Services leader, who was working on exclusively separating biological moms and children in the border, she got laid off. So everybody count by count, both women and men were getting laid off because I was educating the wisdom, and President Trump knew, okay, lay off, lay off, lay off, and that's how he was doing, and he did a good job on that, just laying off alone. And for past 4 years, he was working on only laying off the people. That is how the scandal and the organizations broken up. And they all the people who got resigned, they all knew why it's all happening. It's all happening for good. Because I educated, hey, just because getting laid off, do not feel that guilt or a shame. It's all for good. It's all as a team process. Just get laid off and be aware that all the good things are going to come. That's what I was educating. So that is how, but even in their laid off mode, they're all in the filthy richest mode only. They all get paid with the free benefits, even during COVID-19, versus I never got any salary. I never got any benefits. I was only without getting any benefits or any salary only. I was educating everything. And today they have to pay. Today USA have to pay me all the salary. They owe me to pay. They have a lot of salary. Right? So you all got the answer why the London was providing only a show. Even though they wanted to come out of that Islam, Judaism, paganism curse, they were not able to get out because London itself is a Islam, Judaism nation. Why? There's a life proof, my dear fellow mankind. When I was educating the wisdom, there was they have a news publishing company called Charlie's Hebdo, right? And there was a shooting that happened in London, and immediately, see, when the foolish people do, they provide all the loopholes, right? So immediately, it was only 2 or 3 people in the Charlie Hebdo news publishing. It's a French operations in London, right? So immediately after their death, it might be only 2 or 3 people or something like that. Boom! The entire Europe nations got gathered in the London. And there were Germany leader, that lady, right? And then Merkel or something like that. And then the France leader. And all. And that itself, and that time only USA president only was, President Obama only never went to that. And then that was not alone. And then again, when I was explaining about the Brussels, the Europe Union scam, there was a shooting and a bomb that happened in the Brussels thing, and immediately the president, US government, and the France leader, they all provided an immediate team meeting, and they were asking for finance like that. So they are all, it's a cunning. The Islam, Judaism are cunning. So you all understand, right? The true meaning of Jew means what? True love. True Israel meaning of true Israel means cleanest, virginest love. They can display only cleanest love. That's what the meaning of true Israel means. True Jerusalem, true Israel, Judah, true Jew means cleanest love only will be displayed from them, right? So that itself is a difference between, I'm displaying what is true Israel, what is a fake Israel. So these people, and that is why the France leader resigned. When I was displaying the France is a cunning nation, everything, he resigned. Immediately he got resigned because there is a little bit of that conscience, right? So he resigned, and that is how new the youngest France leader is. Now, even he got the curse. He should get out of the earth now. Right? No matter what. So, you all got how, I never knew that I will be getting into all these things, because I'm the only one who's going to crack down all the puzzles, all the truth, raw truth. I'm talking to you all is a raw truth, and that is why it will be very difficult for some of the population to digest it, because for all year long they have been worshipping Queen Elizabeth as God, and I am saying Queen Elizabeth is a hell creator. So as a true civil doctor, yes, I know how to heal the population, because that shock mode to handle it will be difficult. From worshipping Queen Elizabeth as a god and being aware Queen Elizabeth is a hell creator, it's too much of a brain to accept it, right? But I know how to heal those people as well. That's what I'm saying. Okay? So now we all got it, how Brexit and how that Scotland, Ireland, that elections, if at all they chose to be independent, at least that would have saved. But they, in a foolish way, they wanted to accept the slavery. They wanted to be slave to Queen Elizabeth too. Why? Because they knew if at all they wanted to choose to be independent, this Queen Elizabeth too will burn Ireland in ashes, burn Scotland in ashes. And in order to save those innocent people alone, they wanted to be slave. Got it? How people are becoming mandated to be slave to Queen Elizabeth, because there is a track record, my dear fellow mankind. This Queen Elizabeth will do anything to get hold of that crown or whatever. And she's not even a royal. She stole that Kohinoor diamond crown that rightfully belongs to me. Oh, that is a different civil justice. And USA sure will get that crown and give it back to me any moment. Right? So that'd be super fun. It sounds an easy task, but it's not. I know, because she will kill everybody who is going to ask to give them the crown. That is how much fanatic love that Queen Elizabeth has for that crown alone. And for that crown alone, she created all this hell, and robocall poverty mandate is one of the program. That is all. Right? When people are enforced to be in a financial disabled mode, begging mode, then the nation can be in a controlling mode, master mode. Right? Then they can exploit the poverty. Anyways, so it is good that today we all are in the same page. So you all are aware, right? Each Europe nation is an Islam and Judaism and atheism and communism nation. Yes, United States says what? They hate the word communism nation. They went and did war against Asian nations, right? Now what will USA do? If I say go create war against London, they sure will withdraw that same uranium-236 bomb, right? Which they threw it on Japan. They will just throw it on London. They just throw it on Australia. They'll just throw it on Poland. They'll just throw it on Norway, Denmark, Sweden. No, I do not want that. You all know my civil justices. Yes, I want all the Europe nations, populations to be free, because they are all my blood drops as well, my dear fellow mankind. It can be different skin color, right? But they are all my blood drops. I know their innocence. I know their absolute innocence. Even President Trump administration must be in same page. If I'm going to say these words, they will get it. Oh, this is the lady. Do you know what I provided for a task? To throw that uranium-236 on the St. Peter's Basilica. I provided step 1, clear out all the population in Italy. That entire Italy landmass should be evacuated, meaning all the population should move to a separate safest mode. Pope Francis should be there, and just throw that uranium-236 on the St. Peter's Basilica. Means I was providing healthiest civil justice. But then later on down the road, when I was decoding more and more truth, I only educated death penalty only should be in the volcano. It becomes very easiest, simplest labor, right? All the absolute monarchs have to stay in the queue, one by one, like a choo-choo train. They are like Queen Elizabeth will be the first one to get down, and then Pope Francis. So it will be absolutely a wonderful death penalty, right? Because after that, all the nations will be free, living only in heaven. Because nobody asked for absolute monarch status. I never asked. Right? So I am the mouthpiece for entire human population who cannot talk. Even the innocent population in all the European nations. I am the mouthpiece for them. I am talking for them, right? And yes, this civil justice is sign off for myself. Because USA government do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me, and they enforced it. So they have to pay the price. It is a worldwide issue what they did. Right? So that is why God's name alone is glorified. It is just not an issue only within USA alone. No, it is a worldwide issue. It's been going on forever. And that needs to be stopped. How it can be stopped? When civil justice is signed off for me, when USA pays me all the finance aid, and all this president, all these leaders, they pay me $4,500 check, direct deposit my bank account. Boom, just like that, it'll be gone. And the governments will be wondering, oh, how on the earth this robocall mandate went off? Just like magic. Is the Priya magician? Right? Oh, she has some kind of magic spell on her. So she is able to eradicate all the hell. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow, like that, right? Because God's way of providing things, wisdom basis, can be understood only by the wisest people, right? Wisdom means what? Understanding a complex in a simplest form. When complex becomes simplest, it's always simplest, right? So until then only the human brain will be working on why, how, what, when, like that. It will be breaking. So all nations got the answer, so who's creating poverty? That is all is needed to provide the civil justice. That's all. And they wanted a proof, and I'm proving it with the proof. What more is needed? Right? So wait, watch and see. More finance aid, medical billing, finance aid billing is provided to the USA. $50,000 trillion. Wow, isn't it? Yes, that will be on the civil justice book. But then I will step in and I will provide the rightful finance aid accordingly. Okay? And $500,000 trillion, oh, that will be super fun, isn't it? per civilian, per head count, and 7.9 plus billions. Oh, wow, it sounds so cool, isn't it? And as it is cool, it is going to be written in the civil justice book as is mode. And that means I created the history forever, right? Because people should know human brain damages cost is costliest. Price cannot be provided, but then I provided the cheapest cost. 500,000 trillion is the cheapest cost for a brain damage, right? So you are aware of it. What is a London nation? One more time. London is what nation? It is an Islam, Judaism. What is Islam, Judaism? It is an absolute Kanni, paganism, atheism, communism nation. Got it? So now where will President Joe Biden will have his face when I'm going to ask why on the earth USA created the USA-Cuba war for Cuba being a communist nation when it is not? You all know there are Senate who are from Cuba, right? Some Rubio, something Rubio, right? I think that man is from Cuba. So that means they all ran for their life to USA in that ship, losing their families or whatever. And they went and did Vietnam War, Cambodia War, Laos War. They all my nations. Those people are my blood drops. Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Philippines, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. What is President Joe Biden going to say about that? He sure will resign immediately, my dear fellow mankind. Watch and see. He surely will get out of the White House immediately. I would say, I don't know, maybe, see, when you're comparing Hillary Clinton and President Joe Biden evil identification is more than Hillary Clinton. I would say. Both of them are lawyers. Both of them, in the entire lifetime, they have been only in the lawmaking process. Yes, on the very basic level, they failed on the lawmaking process. They never bothered to ban all the adverse laws services. That is a breach of duty. That is equal. That is same for both Hillary Clinton or President Obama or President Bill Clinton or President Joe Biden. They are all four of them are lawyers. So that breach of duty comes under for all four of them, same level of thing. But out of all those four people, three of them are men, only one woman. So on the basic gender level innocence, who is innocent always? Women are innocent always, regardless of whatever they are. So that means Hillary Clinton is innocent, double innocent, and all the three men are only innocent. So that means that is the proof that President Joe Biden is not fit to be president of USA. Got it? That's the proof of everything. And even if you're going to see Jimmy Carter, who is a living president, and then President Trump and President Obama, President Bill Clinton, and George W. Bush Jr. If you're going to see on all of those, who is the least innocent? You got it right. If you're all wisest, you should have got the right answer. Least innocent means what? More evil. Got it? The least innocent in the existing living president is what? It's only President George W. Bush Jr. Yes, my fellow mankind. In my book of civil law, the innocence identification is different from my peers. Who is innocent? Okay, then let's work out on the innocent level 1, 2, like that. Who is innocent level 1 out of those people? President Bill Clinton and President Trump. Then I really don't know about the Jimmy Carter, but then I would say Jimmy Carter and President Obama comes under that same innocent level 2. Right? Then who is innocent level 3? The least one, more evil one, George W. Bush Jr. Got it? So, if you are all in the same page, you all must be aware, I am the excellent Supreme Civil Judge, and President Trump and President Joe Biden is aware of that. That's the only sole reason they worked with the FBI to identify me using that President alert text message sent out to the worldwide, to the USA's mobile services. Right? So both those presidents are aware that I only can be the excellent Supreme Judge. President Joe Biden and, President Obama and President Trump. But sadly, with all this Republican GOP leader, he's a super foolish. Means he's not, he's very least of all the innocentest only Republican GOP leader. I think he should be there even during President George W. Bush era itself. Right? So that is how evil he is. He proved he is evil. So when roadblocks are provided in a different ways, even the national leaders become helpless. Anyways, so then, okay, now let's say if London is Islam Judaism, what is France? Islam Judaism, okay. If France is Islam Judaism, what is Germany? Islam Judaism. If Germany is Islam Judaism, what is Denmark? Islam Judaism. If Denmark is Islam Judaism, what is Australia? What is Australia? Australia is Islam Judaism. Okay, if Australia is Islam Judaism, what is New Zealand? Islam Judaism. Okay, what is if New Zealand is Islam Judaism, what is Alaska? Islam Judaism. Oh, is it a state of USA? Yes, my dear fellow mankind. Each and every single state in the United States of America is Islam Judaism after all. They have been enforced. Got it? Got it? How a distraction, how this Islam, Judaism went through every single nation and destroyed and mandated that nations, every nations, enslaved nations, to be only following the Islam, Judaism cult mode, and they are going to pay the price, right? Because USA is, I own USA. Oh my gosh. Whoever destroyed USA in pieces, they will be gone in volcano. And USA is what nation? It is Tamil Nadu. And I own USA. Can you all see how it is God's timing? God brought me in this earth only to save USA nation, to save all the nations by that. Can you all see God's working labor time has to be waited for God's labor alone? For 500 long years, it is a population, innocent population of USA have been shedding tears and praying to God. Oh dear God, send guardian angel and free this United States of America. They have been praying this prayer, innocent prayer, in United States of America for 500 long years, and those innocent prayers have been answered. Even the late President Abraham Lincoln, when he was giving the Gettysburg speech, because of the Civil War scandal that's been going on in each and every single state in the United States of America, in his heart of heart, he should have been praying to God. And that is why all the prayers are answered now. And am I a man or a woman or a transgender? That'll be a lot of fun, right? Am I a man or I am a woman or am I a transgender, my fellow mankind? Okay, out of this fun task, add this task also, okay? Because God sent me to save all the nations, right? I am the only true woman in entire humankind. And there are no women after all yet. So it is only through me, entire women population also will be saved. It is only through me, entire male population will be saved. Got it? And it is through me, all the presidents of USA, living, dead, all will be saved and bailed out. And I was not joking. I'm still standing on the same ground. If at all USA wants to provide me all the Medal of Honor, Medal of Bravery, Medal of Freedom, Medal of Nobel Prize or whatever, the list, Medal of Excellence, Medal of Friend, Medal of whatever, I would like to get it from President Trump, no matter what. And that is how I can even bail out our entire male population. That is a wisdom after all, right? That is the wisdom after all. Because there is that innocence there, and I know what is a disability, what is never a disability. Right? So, the President Trump who enforced that robocalling and enforced poverty, right? That is crime, and that is why I want President Trump to pay that $4,500. It's a healthy civil justice process. But then beyond that, I want to get all the Medal of Honor, everything from President Trump only. And I want the presidency rule to be ended with President Trump, boom, and create history. And then the credit for the Poverty-Free Earth end of the year project which I was working on, I want the credits to be equally given to President Obama and President Trump only. Same. So that means when the credit is given, both two presidents will be there. And they created the history forever. Forever. They created the history. And yes, President Joe Biden, by resigning, will also create a history, being a shortest term president of USA. And he will lay off and he'll get resigned. It's also for healthy process. He cannot be a president. Sorry, he just cannot. He just cannot. So, out of all these presidents, there are only two presidents, I would say, who were, being their lawyer mode, even in the helpless mode, they were providing whatever based on their ability they were able to provide. And that is always forever Bill Clinton and President Bill Clinton, and then President Barack Obama. And when he took the office, all the automobile industry was shattered in pieces. But it was in a recession mode. It never went into the depression or double depression or double recession mode. It was just in the recession mode, and the auto industry was shattered. And and that was a time, or even before that, that Ponzi scheme, everything, the finance became hit. And he transitioned at least from recession mode to the normal mode, at least, if not very highest economy mode, at least to the normal mode he was able to manage here and there. And that too because of my wisdom education only. And we all know that President Bill Clinton period was a excellent golden era, that time frame. And who created $1 trillion of deficit? President George W. Bush Senior and Junior, just because of wasting all the $1 trillion on Iraq on one side, and on the other side, they are so cunning, my fellow mankind. They are owning a lot of oil gasoline plants in Iraq, on any Islam nation, even in Africa. And all the Christian evangelicals, the Republican evangelicals, they say they do not like black skin, right? They say hallelujah, hallelujah, praise the God, like that, the tele-evangelists, right? They all own diamond companies in Nigeria, in Africa. Now tell me, if they do not like black skin, if they name call N-word for any African, these foolish Christian evangelicals or any European Americans, why on the earth they would even bother to own a diamond company in Nigeria where it is full of only black people? You all got shocked, right? Africa is the richest continent in whole entire earth. That riches is too much that as of today, only richest continent is only Africa. Only means all the other continents are absolutely richest. Even USA is richest resources, right? Each road and the dust in the South Dakota is a granite. Imagine the cost. Dust in the South Dakota. They all belong to me, my dear fellow mankind. I can easily ask to blast out that Mount Rushmore statues in pieces, because I own, but I even educated, no, it should be there, because God's name will be glorified, right? Whenever they are seeing those 4 faces on the Mount Rushmore, people will know they are hell creators. And there is innocence also. Why? Those 4 people on the mountains, they were absolute puppet and slaves only to Queen Elizabeth. They never knew they were puppets only to them. Even President Abe Lincoln never know he will be killed only by Queen Elizabeth, being backstabbed. Got it? So that is how God's name will be glorified. Got it? And each and every single native tribe groups in United States of America, state by state, be it Dakotas in South Dakota or North Dakota, right? Or Oklahoma or whatever. I think there are state specific where most of them are only Native Indian tribes. And Native Indian tribes are everywhere in each and every single state. Even in state of Wisconsin, there are Native Indian tribes. And they all are aware that I am that I am. That is why God's name alone is glorified. And I'm going to reveal why that many Native Indian groups, because it's all for a reason. It all came up for a reason. It was created for a reason. It was created for an identity theft process alone. Got it? So just be aware that on a very high level note, and I will continue with this, and it will be almost close to 2 hours, this civil justice sign off, but Yeah, yes, my dear fellow mankind, please be aware this is a very crucial civil justice sign off. Okay, very, very, very important one. I have all the proof. I displayed it to the USA, and I'm going to display more and more. Each crime is different, right? So that is why. So you all aware. So people, it's best to stay wherever they are, right? They cannot think, oh, why can't I run to island in somewhere? Even there, this Queen Elizabeth created a havoc, my dear fellow mankind. Don't you all think that civil justice must be served, and I am the only one who could take down Queen Elizabeth in a rightful way? Right? She took African Americans as a slave everywhere, worldwide. And there are so many African Americans who are hidden inside the forests, in the islands. And because Queen Elizabeth mandated that, my dear fellow mankind, what would you all have done? What would you all have done? Tell me. And when I was working, I never knew that I am the one who is going to figure out that all my population, all the population, total population are my blood drops. And that truth shattered me in pieces because I am just seeing, right? I was the one who was working on the poverty. Somalians are poverty, Tibet, people in the Tibet are poverty, people in India are poverty, means it is my blood started to boil, right? Because they are all my blood drops, and I was that is why there is a saying, it is better to not decode the truth. Like it's better to live in illusion, at least that truth will not shatter. But once when the truth is hit hard on the face, it is the raw truth, right? So any civilian, it will not be easy to take it, and it was same for me only. And imagine, Africa is the biggest continent. I never knew that I own Africa. I never knew that South America is the one I own. And it is too much of a truth for me to handle it. But with God given wisdom, I was able to handle it, and I'm handling it. Because that is how I'm able to provide the civil justice sign off, right? And this Queen Elizabeth was thinking she could get away free by fooling all the nations. No, she cannot. That is why injustice always gets fried in ashes versus civil justice always wins forever. Yes, we are all fallen in trap in the scandal of Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis is the truth. And I proved Queen Elizabeth is an Islam Judaism and Pope Francis is an Islam Judaism, and nobody can run here and there to any nation, because any nation you name it, be it Cuba or South America, everywhere it is Islam and Judaism paganism. They went and destroyed everything. Yes, this was a year, decades, and even it was during that Egypt king era. That time itself, this scandal was going on. So that king, the Egypt king, he never wanted the Israelites to be freed. So Moses only saved the Israelites, right? He was going through the Red Sea, everything, means those are all hidden puzzles of how the prosecution was provided to the Christians forever. Right? So people were writing everything in a Morse code level, and whatever that tsunami happened, it happened. And that's a proof. I will explain that later. So they were working out different forms of going throughout the nations, even when the Israelites went away. Moses took away, saving them. So who are the faces of that Egypt king today? It is Queen Elizabeth II, France leader, Islam leaders, right? So you all got it. Whatever that events happened in Holy Bible, it happened for real. People witnessed it. People witnessed crucifixion, right? People witnessed, and people were not allowed to talk to Jesus Christ for a reason. All the nations banned the population to talk to the true Israelite Christian Jews forever. Why? When people get educated from true Israelite Christianship, they become wisest. Nations do not want population to be wisest. That means, as of now, you all are getting educated with my education. So that means that itself is, they will not like it. The Pope Francis, Queen Elizabeth will not like it. I already said they will only ask nations to kill me. Got it? Because these people, they wanted all the population to be fools always. Okay? So, London is Islam, Judaism. It is an absolute Babylon nation, and the proof is their national anthem is fully worshipping Queen Elizabeth II alone as a god. And if you see Oman nation or Islam nations, they have the national anthem and they praise only their leaders as a god, the national anthems. Those are all the telltale sign of a Babylon empire. So that's the proof. Okay? And those nations, they will throw the population if they are going to say true God is true God in the gas chamber, and they will burn them in ashes. Be it Dubai, be in Saudi Arabia, be in Oman, they have an excellent benefits, everything. People love to go there. But then they have these kind of restrictions that they cannot read Holy Bible. They cannot say true God is true God. And if they are going to say that true God is true God, they will be killed. Right? Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, they are all absolute Islam nations, purest form, and not anymore. I'm going to step in free nation by nation, nation by nation. Imagine how heaven it would be, isn't it? And it will be even heaven. It will be heaven. Got it? So, London is Islam Judaism nation is a proof. Europe nations is Islam Judaism. And there are approximately 30 rebel organizations in Europe, and it is a Europe version of Islam, like African version is Boko Haram. So same thing, 30 Europe rebel organizations is also Islam Judaism version for the Europe nations. So there are rebel organization in London. Tell me, when Queen Elizabeth is a god of London, why would there be rebel organization in London? If Vatican is having a rebel organization, why, when Pope Francis is a god, why on the earth Vatican would have a rebel organization? Got it? So those are all the proof. The Islam, Judaism, they are always like enjoying the sufferings of fellow mankind. They will not live, they will never allow population to live free forever. And I am just stepping in, slapping on face of Queen Elizabeth. That slap itself will throw Queen Elizabeth on the volcano in Hawaii. All of them will go and be anxious, and all the nations will be happily ever after. How that sound of living free is creating happiness, right? Yes. Celebrate Merry Christmas, my fellow mankind. Celebrate it loudest. Let the ears of Pope Francis bleed toxins. Let the ears of Queen Elizabeth bleed worms when people are loudest celebrating Merry Christmas. Dance, sing loudest and celebrate Merry Christmas worldwide. Because being happy that I will burn all the absolute monarchs in ashes. So you all got it. So nobody can mock Boko Haram, because when they have to mock Boko Haram, they have to mock the London 30 rebel organization as well. Got it? So justice, even in the mocking services, there should be a code of ethics, right? So when a medical doctors, when they are mocking Boko Haram, they should also mock London created 30 rebel organization created by Queen Elizabeth II. Isn't it? And then Republica Vatican Jesuits Egypt Pope, along with Pope Francis, and Cairo Egypt Fake Israel, and Organization of Islam Cooperation, then United Arab Emirates and ISIS and ISIL, Government of Islam Judaism, is an umbrella. And that 30 rebel organization of Europe nations comes under that umbrella. Even Boko Haram comes under that umbrella. Means who created all these terrorist organizations in the first place? Pope Francis and the Queen Elizabeth II. Got it? So for that alone, USA should pay me a salary of $1 billion immediately, less than 1 minute. And I will say, just please direct deposit to my bank account. So they never educated the 30 rebellion organization in London, created 30 rebellion Europe organizations. They never educated Europe. USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya proceed. A true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, and a true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of 30 Europe rebel organizations to be fatal negligence, and for hiding the truth of fake Israel to fool USA nation forever. So either USA government should say they know who is Republica, 30 Europe rebel organizations, or there would the Dalai Lama, including Dalai Lama, Ishkan, Isha, everybody, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, 30 Europe rebel organizations. So what is the error? The error is absolute monarchs of Europe, London leaders created robocall poverty mandate. And that is the proof that how President Trump is a slave to Queen Elizabeth II, and Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is a slave to Queen Elizabeth II, and Supreme Judge Brett Kavanaugh is a slave to Queen Elizabeth II. Okay, so then Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. And fireproof by Republican government slave to Queen is a slave to Queen Elizabeth II only mandated robocall poverty mandated to I Vedapriya Prose in October 2018, so civil justice must be served now. Then Republican President Trump is a slave puppet to Queen Elizabeth II. Republican Supreme Judge of October 2018 Brett Kavanaugh is a slave puppet to Queen Elizabeth II. Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell is a slave puppet to Queen Elizabeth II. USA do not have birthright to enforce poverty to I Vedapriya Prose's wisdom. Civil justice as of February 2021 is, then President Trump must pay tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to Vedapriya bank account in next 1 minute is civil justice served. Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh must pay tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to Vedapriya bank account in next 1 minute is civil justice served. Republican GOP leader Mitch McConnell must pay tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to Vedapriya bank account in next 1 minute is civil justice served. USC Citibank CEO should pay off the debt of $10,000 to $10,210.38 in full in next 1 minute and must pay tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 minute is civil justice served. What is the proof? Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of robocall poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of 165 Islam Judaism rebel organization and all for poverty mandate. It is a deadliest crime as of February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is the creator of 30 Europe Islam Judaism rebel organization and all for poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime of as of today February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of ISIS, Iraq, Syria Islam Judaism rebel organization and all for poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of ISIL, that is Iraq, Syria, Levant, Mosul, Islam, Judaism, rebel organization, and all for poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is a creator of Boko Haram, ISIS, and ISIL, Islam, Judaism, rebel organization, and all for poverty mandate, and it is the deadliest crime as of February 2021. Queen Elizabeth II is the creator of Faces of Pope Francis, Satan Worldwide, rebel organizations, and all for poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime as of February 2021. So Faces of Pope Francis are Dalai Lama, yoga gurus, Guru Nanaks, and Guru Nanaks, right? And Dalai Lama, like that, and ISKCON. Then, as of today, I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off for myself is because United States of America with fatal negligence enforced poverty to me by enforcing robocall poverty finance disability for me. So, Republica 30 Europe rebel organizations created by Holy Highness Queen Elizabeth II with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil Supreme Judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, then President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018. They enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly in October 2018, and Republica government of United States of America took away $4,500 in October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, and also enforced finance disability to I. So it is a crime for Republica 30 Europe rebel organizations created by Holy Highness God of USA Queen Elizabeth II when ruling USA, never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I, Vedapriya Prose, wants the US Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 in full and sign off, and Citibank CEO must sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and each Republica 30 Europe rebel organization must sign off tax-free $1 billion. So that will be tax-free approximately $30 billion and direct deposit to my bank account. And there are approximately 193 nations robocall poverty mandated worldwide. So another tax-free $193 billion must be direct deposited in my bank account. And at fault and found guilty Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page on how to transfer that many huge dollars in the wire transfer or direct deposited accordingly. Then I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name. Vedapriya is a civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. Then I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military, etc. in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must get dual citizenship of US and India now is a civil justice served. And yes, my dear fellow mankind, hope we are all on the same page. This particular civil justice sign-off is only signed off for myself, and it is a multitasking process as well, is a wisdom, okay? And please be patient. There is a lot more crimes that needs to be addressed, and I will surely will get the civil justice for all the population worldwide. Okay, and yes, it went to 1 hour 48 minutes and beyond, 49, almost 1 hour and 50, almost close to 2 hours. Just be patient, and please provide this as a live live broadcast in televisions, all televisions worldwide. That way, all of us are going to get the civil justice rightful time in a God's way. Okay, and yes, be aware that civil justice wins always is the wisdom, and also be aware why God is always God, right? Why evil is always evil, and why evil burns in ashes is also wisdom. Okay, so thank you all for your time. Take care, and I will continue with more sessions of civil justice sign off for myself. Okay, and yes, it will be helpful if the United States of America provides me this timely salary at the rightful time, and it will be absolute timely help for me. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.